If you're carrying a tremendous amount of weight up here and you're throttling down jumps and off-road and everything, this is just an added precaution. This beautiful piece of billet aluminum that's been powder coated will go in here and strengthen this rail right here. So this is what I'll be putting on. You basically take these 4 screws out. Do not use the washers. Okay, so you pull these 4 screws out, and then a little bit of blue Loctite on mine, just so that it's a little bit better. So just a little dab will do you, you know, it's not much. Goes back on. And always finger start this stuff because you. Okay, so pre-thread these. Always put them in with your fingers. Don't run an impact on them. And these up, but not too difficult. Started tight, so you just run them on down. Doesn't take much. Run them down and just be a little. All right, and that's it. Nice, easy, quick installation, under 5 minutes. So there you have it, TrailRax little support gusset. Beautiful, beautiful work.